guys, this is Autonomy Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Autonomy Mama page. You can also see me on Autonomy Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Monica, money. Money, body just the hot. What do me a godmother? A godmother has a boy above it Facebook. Why go here TikTok or TikTok manager? A godmother, mama, I greet you. Mama, good evening, long time. A godmother also a godmother what do Facebook? You understand? I just the one that this godmother thing when they do. The people who they use they do godmother for this Facebook. They not even use CCS stay senior una. You go, yes, this one is my godmother. The other one is my godmother. I don't really get it. I don't get. If somebody is just supporting your platform because they like you, okay, that's good. All this una godmother, now this one be my godmother. Who not reach to born una don't be una mama finish for this social media. Have a me godfather, have a me not, but that's the thing is just getting out of hand. It's really getting out of hand. You know, I don't really get what you guys are doing. Some of you, how you guys are taking issue too personal. Like seriously, I've been following this issue since yesterday. To me, I wouldn't like. You know, I don't really see anything. Monica do live video, Asaboro do live video. Just like what you they call reports. This person in question, they support Monica, they support Asaboro. You know, they support the two of you. She knows that she will feel supported, and I make her did the two of her life. So you guys should just drop this quarrel. For me, I really actually smell kind of, you know, normal and normal. I kind of smell jealousy between the both people, you know, like that. But I don't really know how to say it. May not be like say they very offensive. Because at the end of the day, you know that way with the analyze video for this Facebook, now it go can't lead you to another quarrel with another person. All the way it matter I say. So these two people are just two people that I like so much from my heart. I like Monica, I like Asaboro. So when you are, for me now, I'm kind of confused. I don't know what to say, you know, because they are just two people that I like so much. But I would just say that they should drop this thing because this quarrel no your reach to bring anything. After all, una godmother not say she don't tire to be godmother. Una godmother not say she don't tire to be godmother. So she'll still goddaughter una. So in any way, una still need support. She's still there to give you guys the support. You get my point. So what drop a issue now? Oh man, I record the mama laja don't come play. Monica we nyanye megbe. Ija nyanya. Webe nyanya megboku na webe twagbe. We are one nyanye live dog nyanya na record the malaja do vie we muyoto. When I do nyanya gbe ban obi do yo be ya mo. May you rest. Give me we a flag better with my sister only never matter. Not be everything will just come your nose, you just contribute. If you say you are big and you are big, when you are big, you act big. To be honest, when you are big, you act big. If you are really big, you act big. You don't contribute in everything that comes your way. Not be everything where your eyes see or where your ear hear again. Now you can't react. But so certain things you should let go. You know they see all those big top celebrating. According to you, you said that you be the queen of saga. Okay, fine. For me, I accept you as the queen of saga. You have been there since long time before most people can come. That one is very true. Nobody drag that position with you. You know, there are some certain things will go come your way. You have to let it go. Not be everybody that they follow the quarrel. All of them don't become each other enemy for this social media. It's not like that, eh? That make I just give a very long distance, a space. Because I realize that nothing really comes out. Most of all those people say where they bless on top of problem. I don't really know. May not bless on account of some jealousy person they jealous. If I ask now, say, why these people they give to now? Why they bless you now? Now the saga now they do or now the quarrel. Now the quarrel now they do or when I tell they drag on ourselves. Now that they bless you now for, now that they give to now for. You come like say na jealousy. You understand? Because me, sometimes I wonder why all these people are they not working? Did they do something that they earn this money from? Because it's not easy for a one to work with a hard earn money. When you go start 24 hours of the day, you got begin to throw the money, you know. I don't know. Is that person trying to make a name, or that person just enjoy giving? I don't really know. Because for me, I just know that it's not easy. Where is she big for? It's the truth. Somewhere she's big. She's big. Let's be realistic, eh? Let's be real. Of course she's big. More not talk out of it. You understand? Monica have really make name for herself. Like every other top presenter also, not only her. You understand? So, but at this kind of time, she's not supposed to jump to analyze everything. So certain things go come our way. She just let go. It didn't matter me. You let go. You don't need to analyze her. You don't need to call the stress or call the letter the brick quarrel. No, we no need to lie. She's okay. She have make name. Not get anybody now when you go ask. Now, more you say for that our circle as an Edo state. When you ask you don't know Monica, you go say she don't know Monica. He or she. They know her. She have really make name for herself. So for that reason, if you are big, you have to respect that your name. You do not put yourself in everything that comes your way. Hi guys, if you are just joining, say hello. I welcome for joining. I miss you all for a very long time. But you know, I really love these both people so much. I'm not here to embarrass or insult anybody. I'm just here to throw a tip of words. So when you are big, because I watched her when she was doing her video, it's true, she's big. If we have to be real. But you need to carry yourself according to your name. You cannot analyze every video that comes your way, my darling sister. You see some this thing now, some like celebrating now. Okay, that I'm not gonna argue with anybody. That's how you also see it. It's okay. You see some celebrating that for Nigeria now. You also see some people go drag their come out for some certain matter. You also say they don't go respond. You know why? Not because they don't have mouth to respond. Not because they don't have something to say. But because they don't want to drag their name. Hello, bros. Hello, welcome. Thank you. Good evening, bros. They don't want to drag their name. You understand? So celebrating now, you'll see, they'll say this person do this thing. You'll see, say the person not go come out to respond. Not because the person not get mad to talk or you not get waiting to talk, but because the person don't want to drag he or her name. You will just be like, no, I'm not responding to this thing. That is what they call maturity. That is what they call maturity. Please, my darling sister Monica, some certain things you have to let go. If you watch from the beginning of the video of Asaboro, when she says she likes you, wagia danegbe with social media na. A social media na wagia danegbe. At least you yourself, even if somebody not tell you, supposed to know, say, this person still like me, oh, or this person they wash me, oh, this person they come my way, oh. You know, so certain things happen. You say, okay, more you settle that for yourself. It's not everything you guys have to bring to the media. I understand that Facebook, they pay for every damn video you guys did. But at the same time, my darling, not be all money person they eat where they get peace. So certain money the way you go eat, you don't go get peace. I'm telling you. So money the way be say you go eat but peace not they follow the money they come. One or two go collect the money from you. One that they settle some certain issue. If una don't call each other one, una don't they play, even if I'm not cool like Bowa, because social media don't be say we know they play enter each other house. We don't call each other one. This person don't come your platform, don't comment. Sometimes I have to show that somebody like you, a person that can use your account to come to your platform to comment, it shows that that person like you. It shows that that person like you. A person that can come to your platform, go use the platform, take comment, a presenter like you. She not go there on that fake account. She go come to your platform to comment. Just know, say this person like you. And if that person matter come your way, know how to handle. If you know say na wetin go break quarrel between you and today, settle the issue for inside. Monica, you are a nice person. But the problem you always have with people is that sometimes they always look your chest. Sometimes if you want to do some certain things, they look people face. No, my darling sister, area. A tree does not make a forest. A tree does not make a forest. I must tell you the truth. Good evening. Oh my God. Good evening, everyone. I'm just seeing people I haven't seen for a very long time. Short Happy New Year to you all. I haven't seen you guys for a very long time. A tree does not make a forest. If somebody like you, somebody open my door, say, oh, I like this person, no. Who be done no money? Area ma gbonage. You understand? Every time, social media, everybody have to hear. Come on, man. Come on. Here we too, you're not swama, not bomber years or no swama, you coero. Is the truth. Is the truth. Asaboro might did wrong by recording our old friend, I don't know, godmother, friend, whatsoever. But at the same time, me and you and many other people know that this lady, she's a nice person. I don't know a reason of recording that lady, but okay, let's assume, say, she record the woman. She can't send that, go give a new friend, like as soon as they talk. She said that, but why that a new friend to cost to post the video or cost to bring the video out? Okay, why just see me attack? But why me we brushes? Somebody record the video. He call record and send that to another person. How the record got a leak out. But anyways, that's not why I'm here. That's not what I'm here to analyze. May not be like I dey drag another person to the issue. But what I'm trying to say is, if somebody like you, at least wage adanek with social media now. Everybody. Rita go follow Kate Quarry. Kate go follow Mommy Love Quarry. Mommy Love go follow Sandra Quarry. Sandra go follow Asaboro Quarry. The other, everybody go you follow each other Quarry for the social media. Come on, man. What are you guys now presenting? That's not love. It's not good. What get more change? More change. Quarry everywhere. More change. What get done egbe? Emi kere sunu. Wagwa ati ma wagwa e ma bie wagwa ati aga agwa fit bege. You know say this person no born that word I know they like am. They no really agir. We human being we know they give pikin. We know they give pikin. Human being know they give pikin. You no never get quarrel with somebody. Una go your fair traumat. You know this person not born. Pikin not dey. No. Here we obiomo. When I we say as they don't get the way to they speak that beneath that time. But today, una we be mothers. The kind words where they come out for una mat. Me I dey baff you because the time when I did for Nigeria, e go hard before you see somebody go call another person say that person not born. Oh man, you see we say gwa. Unu we ya ta ye we gi gioma anu ma gi gioma no we ya no wa ya laja unu we ye woman na. Ige omo ma laja we o ma ebi e o ma na we gbuwe na. No we ya laja unu we ye. Asi o ma na se gwa. Wala wo wa ga don le me ta make me so that edenakwe I will settle aya unu ma gbe. This is just too much. It's too much. Not be you back out for person, not be do better for person. Let us be real, my people, Fine, that lady, she try, wait, to support Asaboro with cow. She really try. But not be she do better for Asaboro. You back out for somebody, not missing that you do better for the person. Let's be real. She try. She really try. I know. She try. So please, let's show love. It's good evening, long time. If somebody love you truly from their heart, keep it going like that. If somebody love you, this lady said, I like you, this woman, I love you. You respect my lady Monica. You are one lady that I've always said it on this social media that I like you very much. You know why I like you, Monica? I like Monica because she's very outspoken. That's what I like her. Now all those people say they'll just talk their mind, like you just still come up for their mind. They want to put something for their mind. I want to make me you like Monica be that one. I like her. She know they keep something for her mind. She they let go because you know I'm that kind of a person also. I feel just talk the way the thing just stay verse me, but I know they put nothing for my mind. Mama, good evening. Good evening, Mama. Long time. You don't say Oje. I greet you. Mommy Jessie Williams, Mommy G. Good evening, Mama. Call Mommy. A mobile, why is she? Mama, we were bought there, ba. Mama, you really get belle like the way you talk. I'm not sure. I don't believe you. I don't believe you, this woman, but I don't know, Sha. But if you do, congratulations in advance, mommy. Congrats. I'm so happy for you. Congrats. You understand? Now, only way to make me like that lady because I know say she's a very outspoken. But to be honest, to be very, very honest, not be you back out for person, not be you do burial. Before now, they talk enough for media now say, Ukinebo na do burial for Asaboro. Ukinebo na do burial. Ukinebo support Asaboro with cow. Not me saying I should do burial for Asaboro. Now there rise day. Now there all that money they spend. Now there drink. Now know how much I take the bad drink if you want to do burial. Mama say na so you know how much they take the bad drink if you want to do burial? How much they take plastic or gbogbo and adele? You know how much we burial they cost? Not be only cow, not be burial. But she try at least to support her. She try. And two, for me, Oga Asaboro say Asaboro they follow Julie London the quarry. If una really check her, you know say get where two friends, he get where two people go play rich. Something go come happen to that person. The other person no come support, no come show remorse of faith. It can be very annoying, but it not reach for her to actually record her. Where she forget wrong, where me for say she get wrong, it's just I know mommy saying I joke, I know. I know. Where me for no say Asaboro for get wrong for all inside all those things now only record. Because to be honest, that record with all the fights they put for this record matter for this social media. But every other thing, I not see we ask Asaboro for wrong. You know? Say Asaboro verse, say Julie London, say not support her during her mother funeral. She has reasons to. Although support is not a force, but she have a reason based on that friendship where they two don't get for very long time. So maybe I make a verse say, Mama, you and me, you don't be my godmother for many years. More with the thought truth. I mean, when somebody don't you stay do godmother for how long? You get problem or something happen to you, the person not fit help you. Who you know yesterday can support you. More with the talk truth. I mean, I never more ye nani. I mean, I never more yo. Then you call their Facebook, that person can go support another person. Ija. Where do I feel? I be someone I'm women. I be get with I do this person. When this person not support me, the person can go support another person. Good evening, Mama. Good evening. Welcome. So may we they read. I can't be friends with you for so many years, and I call you a mother. You are my godmother, and I get stressed. You not help me. He never tell another person you can't go support that person. And when I come to say, come on. Even if help is not by force, say yes. Say now willingly. You go most verse. I go verse. Let us be real. If that friendship was tight before, the friendship go lose. The friendship go lose. You understand? So now so it be, my darling. May we if we see some truth, we supposed to the talker. We're not supposed to hide. You understand? Now so it be. Wala wo. If you do, sometimes what get make a koto. Every I know what so no ba. I know Asaboro truly for that record though, she wrong go. Me I know they support with it all right. For that record, she really wrong for recording. I mean already age. She for use math stated the other lady say mother godmother or mommy happy me all those kind of things or anything where she want or she for your use math stated the other lady. There is no point in recording because we not like anybody where they record. But the reason why me not go follow Asaboro quarry for record, hey. If I need Asaboro be record, they opa my record the way what get agbode Facebook na my aye. Anybody no only Asaboro gonna be record. Don't power my record the one nibu. They don't record each other. They don't play record for this social media. Many of them don't play record for this social media, So when we they follow Asaboro the quarry. Thank you very much. Germany is fine. If we they follow Asaboro the quarry, we'll go back, go check back in the days, the roots. The roots where this whole problem. Yeah, Mama, this is not a force to support or to help anybody. Maybe during the period that is, yeah, it was every person may have their things doing. Yes, it's true, Mama. It's true that it's not a force. But Mama Jesse Williams, what I want to try let you know, Mama. Where you get the way you are somebody who take they very close. Eh? Where you know, say this person suppose. Okay, if the person no even get to support you, you get the person will still tell you, say, okay, my baby, I know say your mom die. Oh, you don't even need to remind the person. But this time, you know yours day. No worry. I will make it up to you. That is what. You know when somebody take you as a mother. Play your role as a mother. Somebody say, you are my godmother. You play your role as a godmother. She don't even need to remind you. She don't need to even tell you, come and help me or not come and help me. You, as a godmother, have to reach out to her and let her know that, my baby, things are very hard for me right now. But I did not forget you. Don't worry. I will do what I will have to do. Thank you for liking. Thank you. I appreciate you. Give me love to not be only like. Make I see love. So maybe you still show me say you love me. I know what to do, but I will do it. That's so it be, Mama. Mama, Erioje. I know if he call you my godmother, you not do for me. I can't go see you for area of Facebook. Say you do for another person. Mama, I go paro. Even if say help, not be by force. Mama, I say I go paro for you. Or when a help not be by force. You be my godmother. You are not another person to me. You are my godmother. And as my godmother, you should got my back. And someone else play that role for her. Of course. Love. I love you. I love you. I always say this. You loving somebody not before math. Now action. Action speak more louder than words. Action speak more louder than words. So people can tell you they love you. So people can be gossiping with you as a friend. But when you reach for help, they cannot help you. See, I beg, sweet makers, leave my Vienivio. See, Vienivie matai. Why Vienivia tana? Asa boragugwa. You understand? So now so it be. So I don't really see where Asaboro for fuck up. Now only where she for fuck up is to record. Mama with Jesse Williams, they laugh. You understand? Now only where she for fuck up, the way she for take photo to record. Now only there every other thing I don't see where she for fuck up or remember wata why go yo. And okwa Ghana this you know boy we be say they quick many of una they talk for math. Mona be careful Mona be careful. You know boy nobody they give pikin nobody they give pikin. Now only this God Almighty now they give person pikin. Not be human being no. Not be human being they give pikin. And godmother wait they all the godmother wait there for Facebook. They are ready to give birth to as 10 of children. Mama need not go guijo. Monica godmother can also be Asaboro godmother. Asaboro godmother can also be anybody. Can also be myself godmother. Is normal. You understand? Is normal. So please, Mona they take this easy. Not be every time we be say person go the quarrel. Why be say Facebook that they block person view? They block my view. I know they see my view again. I be they see her before the thing just disappear once. Facebook, I beg. I know get power to they do live video every day. Now quarter now they avoid because their problem for this social media is too much. He said, Bobby JJ, I want both of us to become a lesbian. I bet not be me and you. See, this thing I put for mass, so not because of lesbianism. It's not because of lesbianism. I just do it for fashion. Carry your own, they go that side. 70 years old woman. You understand? So the problem, my sister Monica, she's a good person, but the problem is say Monica body to the odds. Monica, I was watching you this afternoon, to be honest. The way you talk sometimes is very, very annoying. Not be lie, my lady. I like you. You can never change the likeness I have for you. But the way you talk sometimes, May I tell you, Monica, I want to correct something for you. You see this social media where we did so, everybody, nobody they feed each other. Whether you have a big platform or you have a small platform, nobody is feeding each other. Nobody. Some people they work, some not they work. But even those one way they work, they don't they feed those one way they work too. Nobody's feeding each other for this platform. You understand? You see, for that movie industry, may I use the movie industry take come. If somebody come out now for movie industry, say, all of una my own now na go day. I believe say everybody will this social media go fire that person. Say, why would you use that word? I hear when Monica was using the word, say, all of them for this social media go they are under. No, my sister, you gave birth to nobody. Nobody will be on your under. Fine, you have succeeded to make a name for yourself. You understand? It's good, no problem. It's a good thing. Nobody don't know Monica. I've tell you before, say you are a celebrity. Sure, you even pass so many celebrities. When we say they don't even know, they know you. You understand? But you saying that everybody presenter on social media will be under you, I think that's a very wrong language from you. You shouldn't use such word. You understand? Somebody like me, that way they work where they pay my bills now because I'll do under you for waiting. Am I living with Facebook money? If Facebook paid me, even when Facebook paid me last year, do you know that Facebook paid me last year? I didn't even notice. I didn't even notice they pay me until I went to my paper account. I see money there. I could say, I will still pay my money for paper. And I see that it was Facebook that paid me. I didn't even notice. I didn't even notice. You understand? So now people, you don't need to say that people will be under you. You understand, my darling sister? Nobody will be under nobody. You are blessed. Make other people still blessed. Now, normal. If people want to use your name to also get view, it's still a good thing. Isha. I don't forget many beneath words. So if somebody now, maybe not me, now prayer for me, say make I get bigger name. Maybe people they use my name till they climb up. Now, so it's supposed to be. You're supposed to be happy, say people they use your name, they get view. People they use your name, they make money for social media. Because when they write your name, people come say, may I can't hear what you want to talk about Monica. You're not supposed to the cause, say me they under you. No, a tree does not make a forest. Only you one of you get it all for this social media. Not possible now. If now only one person had the art fee for movie industry, I'm not sure say they forget Mercy Johnson, Toto Dike, or Iniedo. They forget only one Iniedo. Say Iniedo is best. Oh, now only she go the art film. Oh, no other person go there. No, you don't talk like that. Now make you they get many problem with so many people for this Facebook because when they now look at you. When they look at you, they call the verse say, why this lady they use this kind of word saying now under her now we go there. But here I with two what way. So my sister, I'm not here to say you are a bad person. I'm not here to talk to you the way is not the way is not proper. But the thing what I'm trying to tell you is that sometimes for this live video, no matter who the viewers, no matter how many thousands of view where we get, is good for us to mind our speech. Don't say people will be under you. Social media is big and large enough. Today now we get a lot of presenter, a lot. New ones, so your new con, new ones. And more are coming. So long say they don't hear say money there for Facebook. More they come, where they come. A lot of people are coming. So be expecting more people that will use your name to climb up. So you shouldn't say that all of them will be under you. No, it's not like that. You are favored. If you are favored and you are blessed that you get view, whether you do saga, you don't do saga, it's okay. It's a good thing. Other people that want to also use your name to come up, allow them to use your name to come up. It not change anything about you. That's how it be. That's how it be. So Asaboro, my sister, oh, maybe you lock up for this matter. Because the more you try to explain yourself, the more you try to come out, the more you try to say now so it be, the more the matter go, they continue to they go, not go stop. You know? Once with me, I want make people clear, say, not be that lady, not be she do burial for Asaboro. Because me, I never see we a cow for the do burial for person. I never see where cow, now only cow that they used to do burial. I got you, right? I want you. You go ne ben ne kag baby my bury. I want kag be not here way. I want kag be not ne missa. Here me we go. Bring money for this one. Bring money for that one. Bring money for the. I want kag be go fair. You show money where kag be they collect for person and for burial. He pass money to the back out. Money where kag be go fair collect for your hand. He pass money to the back out. So not be that lady do burial for Asaboro. Yeah, she support is a good thing that she supported. But don't be she do burial. Don't be she do burial. Let's be real, guys. Don't be she do burial for Asaboro. And don't forget, Monica, my darling sister, a person that love you can also find somebody else way there for Facebook when she still love too. Now normal. Who are the day when the person show you love, it go be your old that day. The day when the person still go another person show another person love, now that person you that day. Because sometimes I dey feel that I dey see that if this one love this person, now problem for the other person. Say, my lover will go love this person. My lover will go to show this person love. It's kind of a problem for you guys. Hi, Ace, how you doing? You understand? So please, Muna beg. This Facebook, they're not well. I know they see anybody they watch me, but however, I know there are people here. You understand? So please, wala wo issue na wasi aye. Wasi issue na aye. Na mas o mase no sezo ato o mase. Obiere no be western one na. Wa ye ne se ki eso guda. Eso guda gina kinana. This one I so guda na it can't be. Somebody they do favor for una nana. They don't they carry the woman matter they come and say na so she not do us mass. Na so she don't do this. Na favor she become do oh. Na it sort it can't be for her. Now it's sort it can't be for her now. Who be not know say whether I see go mom be now true me not know. Who be not know say na single mom now don't they see and as oh she be single mom. You understand? Not that single mom say na bad na this thing no na abominable, but there is not there is everything wrong that somebody come to do favor for you guys, and at the end, this person now they call the drag, they follow ground, they go for media. It's very, very bad. Please, Monica and Asaboro, where this lady don't Mona just leave this matter so that this lady they will be out of social media. The more the two of you come to live video to try to prove a point, the more people want to analyze it. The more you will see the people that want to insult the lady, the more you see that the woman will be dragged to the mud. Please. This thing lies on the two of you, and it lies on the hand of Asaboro and Monica. If you not let go of this problem, if you not do live video about this issue again, everybody go rest. The more the two of you want to try to prove a point, the woman will be dragged. And they will be dragged. So please, Mona, let this matter just go. Mona, you forget. Say, nothing happen. You understand? Asaboro, my sister, well, now, now, Monica with social media. When women in Monica, ye, Ogbudu women, okay, you're bug bewe. When you're Monica. You understand? You're Monica. We are not come down with banner. Come down with. So, Master, we no problem. Whoever do by in social media, you're a queen of saga of social media. Everybody know that one. So it's enough. The woman says she stand with you. So what are we not complaining for? Apologize to your godmother, Julie Londo. You owe her apology, to be honest. For recording her, you owe her apology. You really do owe her apology. Now let God know how many people can view me. Because TikTok, the Facebook not let me see them again. They don't drop everything. Facebook. These people, they be here people. You understand? You owe her apology. Just apologize and let everything go. I don't know you as a person that had a pride anyways. I believe you can do that apology if you really want to do it from your heart and let bygone be bygone. Continue your life. Continue doing your thing. If truly say you never get picky, God will bring picky for you. Good evening, Eva. If truly say you never born, God will do it. God will open a way. God will open a door of children for you. The Lord that do it for Jennifer Colley, that this social media they for call her name too. The Lord will do it for you too. The Lord will open that way. I don't see you like somebody who don't old. You never old. You are still very young lady. We are very fine. Thank you, Mama. We are fine. What about you? I hope you are fine. The Lord will open the way for you. We open the way of children for you. You will have your own children. This same social media, now everybody go come out to celebrate you, Asaboro. He will open it to every other presenter or every other woman that is looking for children. God will open way of children for them. You guys, sometimes I don't know. The way you guys, they mock person with Pikin, I know they like her. I know yours they like her. That one, like, they vex me. If I just the watch video out there, I said I saw this one not but the thing, where the thing for go they hit me, I don't understand. It's not good. It's not just good. Oh, thank God. It's not just good at all. If somebody do wrong, you want to tell the person or correct the person. Correct the person. You don't need to tell the person, say that so the person don't get picky. So God go do it for you, my sister. Ogo monorosa no worry your mogwe. Unu ya no be taye ya be tari. Atu oga dabakulu gbe we be say godmother here si ane. Si ane. Say godmother Monica ane dedi we no. You understand? We say godmother here ane so that na be ewe unwo wa ma ewe. You understand? It's like you do not believe me. I said Asaboro is pregnant for you if you leave your boyfriend. The record is at. Asaboro is pregnant for if you leave your boyfriend. Not be only pregnant for if you leave your boyfriend. Asaboro is not pregnant for, God forbid. That Asaboro go pregnant for if you leave your boyfriend. God forbid. How you check that Asaboro self? How you taste her? Asaboro a big girl. She not be that kind of girl. She not be that kind of girl with the snatch person boyfriend, eh? How you check her? Eh? How you check her? It's a very soon you go hear the news. Rest in a lie. Asaboro can never do that. It's true. If you leave a boyfriend, wait there for Austria. Asaboro there for UK. And they are two cotton meat, sweet bakers. Was they never hear them in social media? What it to agbe? I'm a commuter association. This one don't change. Una not they change. Una not they change. Eh? Fravito they play the record, play some records. Not be juju be that one. So please, so my people, wala wo. You understand? Wala. Again, ayena. Wait I do. Facebook it don't change. When you book ice cream, we are carrying live video. You go carry your face go up. Again, this will not be time we be say person go call the fight where this fight. I know you know this whole thing is just confusing. I don't really see any fight here. I don't see any fight here. You understand? So Monica ewe be issue na madam Queen of Saga ewe. I tell you, you have a name already. Now it's time for you to protect your name. You are big, you are big. You are big, you are big. If you are big, you do not respond to everything that comes your way. Sometimes they dust some of them. Say, I beg, I know they respond to this. I know they reply. Sometimes they think about what people are going to think. A lot of people will be saying that you are jealous. But because you know why? It looks like. You might not be jealous. You might not be. Let us be real. Maybe you are not jealous, for instance. But it will look like you are jealous. It will look like, oh, because this woman is your godmother. You go help Asaboro. Now make you call the verse. Now make you come beat Asaboro. You know, now make I tell you, say sometimes they let some certain things go. They let her go. Do you expect people who don't like you not to come out and join you? If an animal like you, do you expect not to come out to come join you? No, they will not. They will always choose it. They will choose it. That's how it's gonna look like. You'll be like, oh, maybe you are jealous. Maybe you are this. I don't know if you are really do, but I know it's your mind. I know that you're jealous, or maybe there's something you are fighting for. You understand? But what to me, I just they try to tell you, say, If you are big, you are big. And when you are big, you don't respond to everything. I've told you before, one of my videos somewhere last year. Say, you, Monica, you pass some celebrity. I'm telling you, both English and Benin celebrity, you pass them. Some of them. Because you get some English celebrity will be say, they don't even the year of them, they know the year their name. They know the year their name, but they hear your own. This Facebook, they know where they don't return my view back again. Where they fair carry they go. You understand? They hear your own. They hear your own. They hear your name. They see you. Many people, they will be say they know Monica even pass some Nigeria celebrity self. Now make for the reason. If some people call you for Soka Saga, who are again name to protect. I know they respond this person. Don't you know that? Please, Monica, not be everything go to do paper body for. I know they talk that word again. Say all presenter go they eat. They go day on that. You know they talk that thing again. No. Personally, me myself, that word they vex me. What they talk. Yes, you get a very big platform. Yes, you get view past not be everybody. If I put one on my view, if I social media president here, if I no get on my swag here, and other people when I don't want to measure their name because I'm not familiar with them anymore. You understand? Many people they too will just get view like you. So don't say what that person gets more view, you not get normally. You not be person with the user, but you see sometimes the words of math, so people will be like, oh, why? She won't call the show now, say waiting. No. I just like you because you are a very outspoken person. But not they use that word against everybody there on that, you know. I too love you, my darling sister. I've always said it on my live stream, say, I like you. And I'm not scared of anybody. Forget that way they talk that they say now mama. Now mama wanna go. No, I like Monica because she's very outspoken person. She they talk her mind. I know say she not be bad person. I know say some of the word where she they talk. She just they do her based on how be amanya marie magi yo eri amanye magi yo. Una good evening oh. Amarie magi yo is not a sweet, but Monica is not a bad person. So that one I told say Asaboro say na that lady Ukinebo na do burial for Ukinebo na lie fa. You understand? No be that lady do burial for Asaboro. No be that lady do burial for Asaboro. No be that lady do burial for Asaboro because one cow no they do burial for person. One cow no they do burial for person. The only money where Egbe go collect for your hand, the money where Egbe they collect for person, they pass one cow money. My people, una way they look me so. As I can see my view, I'm see 278. Me una talk true, make somebody right. I beg. How can you have a godmother who you are close to your own godmother? Your own godmother not support you. You not still get message from your godmother say, oh, my daughter, I never get money for this period though, but don't worry, I will support you on the right time. Then you can't see for social media say your godmother support another person. You not go verse. Maybe they talk true. Maybe they talk true. More will not use because say we not like this person. Say they cover up some certain things. If now una be asa boromo na talk truth, una not go verse for that person. Una not go verse. Person that you used to do your godmother during your own mother funeral, she could not support you. Okay, fine. Maybe she have something going on. At least there is a one message sent to that person say, oh, my darling, I will be of help to you on the right time. Right now is a very hard time for me. The person support another person. So, that one, if Fasaboro verse puts, for me, Fasaboro verse for that kind of thing, I not go follow and quarrel. But the only thing when me I think of Fasaboro say, she for no record her. Because this record, now only one person that get the tattoo of record, that one is now mommy love. Now mommy love now get that tattoo and nobody can collect that tattoo from her. She can record anybody recordable. Mommy love is ready to pay anybody. Yes. You understand? Mommy love is ready to pay anybody to record you. And they watch her yesterday, she they talk say, Asaboro, not listening to mommy love, oh. Asaboro, no vision, no weapon, no yakaragbi guy. La wo je no give any je, la wo je, la o. Mi dame, mommy love you. Oh, push up here, we fear me. And they watch her yesterday. Ask somebody if you don't reply to Monica, I will come out. She cannot saga you nothing. Oh, yeah, hold that light for me, quick. Hold that light for me now. She cannot saga you nothing. If you don't come out for Monica, if you don't come out for Monica, if you don't come out for Monica, she cannot do nothing. She can't do nothing. If you want to respond to Monica, respond to Monica because you want to respond to Monica, not because anybody, any bagger where they like Michael Jackson, they push you. Do not allow any Michael Jackson to push you. Don't allow any bagger to push you. Say make you respond to Monica. She not get mad. Make she use the mouth to talk to Monica. Make she use the mouth to analyze Monica. Not allow any bagger to push you. I was watching her. If you don't respond, I'm coming to do this. I'm coming to say that. What will you say now by force? Now by force, as you use your mouth to chop shit, reach for Grace body. As you go Nigeria, not be shame and disgrace, you take go settle with Grace. Not be shame and disgrace, no not push up on yeme. You get Michael Jackson like Bema Oko. Not be shame and disgrace, you take go settle with Grace for Nigeria. They born you well. Why you not follow? Why you not carry fight or go cause Grace? Me don't yak by you. Now, bomb I yeme waje. It to know my ye because you and Monica not there in a good test. Why push over here? Why push over here? No, ya bina. They born you well. Why you not go talk all those things when they talk for live video for Grace body? May you go talk out for Nigeria. May that one use the acid to bath you. So that you go turn this your Michael Jackson face. You go turn out to I'll tell the describe who we go turn out to now. Make I look for person face when I go. We go turn out to make a quick. Oh, I not get one person face when I won't tell you. May turn out your Michael Jackson face. May they use acid. May say boys. May they use acid to buffer because now you can't tell us say get assassin. Now you tell us say she get boys where they work for them. Me I don't know. Now when your mouth everything for come out. May she still use that the same boys. Use acid to wipe you. You quickly go back there. You go back there. Now so you still take back pay me. As you don't back pay me finish, you don't run come back come spray now. Una do you know? When you measure, if somebody not be my friend, if you like make I see you for real life, you not be my friend. Now say it be. And if I settle with you, I don't settle be that one. I know they call live video, call explain. If you like me, you can't and me come beg you, now you come beg me. It's okay, no problem. We don't settle. Now one person must start her. You understand? You they push her yesterday. Asaboro, come and respond. Asaboro, no minor. No minor, me. No minor. Eze yo get you nueta. Oma cover o get there. Oko not si o well la jave there. Umi o ye tag bedaba. If na another person but me love not go rest too. If na another person where with her gonna get problem, person where she live picky for where be drag her leg come at that day. You say so that one time, 2 times that Monica talk. I see the way our person say they mature. She talk and 1 time, 2 times she rest for the matter. If na you, but me love that all that kind matter. If now you, maybe somebody come to say Monica live picky or me myself, now when you ate. Or that person they follow, they make quarrel. That I can't tell you, see that person give her children. Say so it happen. You will sit down for that matter for 2 years, you don't go rest. You see? You go sit down for the matter 2 years, you don't go rest. Not be say me a gender woman, no, because all of us will be mother. No picky way, not a peace for us sometimes. Not be say me a gender woman. But I just they give you an example. Say if now you that matter rich yan. Because as soon as me say anything will concern children, I know they use our play. I don't support anybody bullying children. You don't bully children. I don't bully children. Because I'm a mother that love her children very much. So that make her. I know they like her. Not that I supported that lady. But if na mommy love, maybe anybody where that matter happen to, oh, Jesus, this woman will hold that issue for 100 and years. She go hold that matter, I swear. She will not let that matter go. She not go let her go. She go talk her. She go analyze her. She go generalize her. She go come do everything. She go come nyenyera. She go come. Oh, okona. Ah, ọ̀rọ̀ wẹ̀gbẹ́. Ìwọ ọ̀rọ̀ wẹ̀gbẹ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ wẹ̀gbẹ́ woto. Michael Jackson. Ọ̀rọ̀ wẹ̀gbẹ́. You can't manage to gbe kame. You can't invest for me when I not do you anything. Your tea business spoil for your hand. Una gbe kame. Mana be se kenu yebe je again. Ezona la wabe egresi egbe. Me, get umena. Unegia popo. Make because we not see you my me go me ko here. Even if we la do tarity. Everybody don't know me for saga. My platform is not for saga. But you say that you won't drag my leg. Come on. Now make my head scatter everything way come around you. That na Monica friendship. Now they switch it for body. The same Monica where you come out, you come be the cause. I am Monica. Etu we ga go body we kegbe. I too we ga go. That's some Monica say make cut on Monica when me know can never send nobody message to saga for her. Monica when me as you don't know for this social media. And the man get tired on ya. And the man get Monica tawunu on ye name. Again Monica na saga no na gele saga we live video. Like when we are to ta. Wa tell me so why we oma damn you wa fi wo mo wa gugwa. Now, my sister Saboro, don't let anybody push you. Don't let anybody push you. If you really want to respond to Monica, you can. No problem. You are not a child. Nobody can tell you what to do, what not to do. But I will advise you, sweet Bekus, is okay. It's okay. Make she bring it out. If I it is the friend, the boy, if I you know, see, even the ones, all the boys where they don't come my name. 2 guys so they don't come my name for social media with you know they say how they look like and they ask you say me they follow my way be safe you say because of that I me follow this camera I not understand. She says she won't bring my boyfriend picture come and now call the fear baby girl I not understand. The men who don't come my name join for this social media I not see them not be correct me even they say one of them not correct for character but how you look there no not go there my sister if I they follow my I they follow kwe ma. So you understand? Don't let any bagger, any Michael Jackson people, do not allow that to nyenye you to go and saga Monica. You see the way that matter say you like Monica, let it be like that. If she offends you, she says something you don't like, is your platform, you have right to come out to respond if you like. If you don't want to respond, rest. I will choose for you not to respond. Make it Dosman not fine, but Dosman get big bola. Dosman may not fine, but he get big bola, and he toy not be iseku. It not be iseku. You hear me? For you, it not fine, but for another woman, fine. It not look ugly. Call. Oh wait, Dosman not fine. Who tell you say Dosman not fine? Who tell you say Dosman not fine? You understand? Mama. You get my point, so Jennifer. You get my point. Not let anybody drag you for saga. This sweet Bekus, you like a besha? Shut the customers and stress of us again, bitte. Schnell. The left mich. Gib sie Wasser. Steh auf. You understand? Don't let anybody drag you to saga with anybody. La wo my sister. Because I'm a bullet in the Monica I feel over now. We are there, we are there, Nika Yiske saga. Get full a bullet in the way. Do not allow, hey, mama, good evening. Welcome. Long time, mama. Welcome. How is the family? And I true you talk, sweet Bekus, not be like. You understand? Not let her throw away those bullets where they would not allow anybody. Now they laugh. Not true now. Not be like she talk. Not allow anybody. No allow anybody push you. No allow any makejancy. I mean makejancy. No allow them. No allow them push you saga anybody because you don't know the bullet. You know say before Monica they come and tell they talk to somebody. You know say don't arrange you for head. So my bullet in the other feel look when my sister la will go avoid there. Yeah, we go na there go there one my own. Na ma there go bad there my own toy. Somebody Vivian said that big bowler be man. Now wow. My sister Vivian, that big bowler will not be man when they talk. So women don't leave their husband because of small bowler. Oh. Hey oh. Hey Vinyash, are you a learner for this social media? Some people don't leave their husband because of small bowler. Somebody like this mommy love. You know that's not because say husband call big for belly, call get small bowler and I make her she come out. Like where we not do time for her. We no be avie utana o be rule la video ba be do asaga e mommy JJ la say ni aye many time egbeni some people like that if they even call my name for their platform I know even they go now when I get out I'll still use my mouth still to talk for their body because you know why tomorrow now I'm going to stand it for 10 hours. I'm standing for 10 hours. I will work for 9 hours 30 minutes pausing. That's 10 hours inclusive. Strictly now was 30 minutes. 30 minutes pause. Now I get 30 minutes break. Now I get all together 10 hours. Now I can't start all the respond to one person. We be saying not the yugo yogo. You know they go anywhere. If they break live video, night reach live video, middle of bed they day for live video. I'll take get her to respond that kind of person. Asaboro is a person that I love. Monica is a person that I also love. She's a very outspoken somebody. And I see the two of them, they are trying to bulala themselves, and I don't like it. I say, what is this? What is this? Why are we bulala? Why are we bulala? You want to bulala because of what? You understand? You understand? Wait till they worry this one. Who be Monica? Where she gets the... Wait till she... I don't understand. Wait till they worry this one. Who be Monica? Wait till she gets to fight Asabora. I been talk better. I say make I beg talk better thing. Now una they give Monica power. My dear, you must not insult, okay? You must not insult. Nobody is giving Monica power. Monica don't already get power. Now you know what accept her. Hey, Monica don't already get power. Now you know what accept her. You understand now? It just dey like somebody go cut us who they give Monica power. Monica Lolo social media president Nogi all of them not there. Now they be the first set of live video. They have worked so hard to make that day. Now we be the second set of live video presenter. The Monica Lolo and the past social media, they are the first set. We are the second set of live video presenter. Now we be the same. So we will not just come from nowhere and say, who be you, who not be you. They are make name, they try. He said, well, at least Saga, me Saga leave you. Saga! My dear Saga, me I dey do Saga. You don't sit there for the Facebook. Now you don't see me say I do Saga. I don't understand. Money cannot get power. I don't know, Sham. I don't know. You say money cannot get power. Okay. GPC here. Monica, let me tell you, Monica could have been powerless if they are not people who giving them. Not be only Monica. All live video presenter will be powerless if there are no people. People, see, people where they do that for live video, now people will not they do live video. You see now you don't get problem with somebody now. Another person where just know I go just call the person, give her your information. The problem are not the presenters. The problem are the viewers and the commenters. Now there be the problem. Oh. So people when they use that they watch the video, that be the problem. Oh. You say Monica cannot get power. I will not argue the words with you. But Monica become powerful when other people who watch the video are working with her. People will be say they use that see you, they know it because they get some more information about you. They see one live video presenter where they beat you, they go call and give her your news. How can you say that kind of person is not powerful? Don't say that. She's powerful. Everybody for year, we all get mad to talk. You understand? He said, now your body should get power. Not be my body should get power. Monica have not even sagad me. She is powerful, you know it. She is powerful because you know why? Because she get people that give her information. She is. Before somebody will tell you that, I know one talk, oh, make I leave the rest for saga day. You know, say that person gets things to talk about you and not so far from the truth. Imagine you now, you near me now, you don't carry my matter, go give another live video presenter when one insult me tomorrow and you say that person is not powerful. Of course, the person is powerful. It's not all about Monica. It could be Lola. It could be social media president. It could be anybody. They said, I don't know man, I Kima. The problem is not Monica. Mommy JJ, you dey fear Monica. If you say so, if you say so, sweet Bekus, that means you are new on this social media. There was a time, if you remember the time we all come out, now full force, now we take come out for Monica and Lolo. Now full force, now we take come out for Monica and Lolo. Most of us, now full force, we take come out for them. Today, Monica and Lolo come out. They come down today is because of the full force we use, they come out. You don't know these two people before for Facebook. You don't know them. You don't know them before. So they are the first set of live video presenter. Following by those people call they come. Nah, I don't know. Esther Talk Show also. She was one of the first set of the live video presenter. I can never forget that. So I will also owe that respect to them. But that's not why I'm here. The reason why I'm here, no problem, my darling, though. It's okay. Not be by force to watch somebody. You hear? Not call the cause wahala. Now you the cause problem for this comment section. Now people like una with the talk. So but una know they let peace they reign. I come out for peace. You carry wahala come. What you una see for fight. He say, I hate Monica because of Destiny Bagua. Sweet Bekusi. They say, now who know man. Now what I just they tell you just now. They say, now who know man. I the kima. Is Monica Destiny Bagua wife? Was Monica living in Destiny Bagua house? No be people carry the information, can't give her. Is that not what I just tell you just now? Say, now who know man. Now I the kima. Live video presenter are the people that they present the thing. But people where they bring those information for them are the worst past them. Now the worst. Imagine now somebody go bring my name, come out, now I want to saga me now. You will know me. Now you are go, saga me, carry the go, saga me. I beg, leave me alone. You go see and say somebody will know you now go carry. Make somebody just post your picture now. You see somebody will know you. You go call the person, you go give her your information. Those people are more wicked than the live video presenter. Now no man, I keep my person. No be person take that picture. No be person forward that picture. No be person say, see what you go talk, see what you go talk if you enter live video. Now so they be so they say I dey fear. No problem. Me, I not get anybody that they fear for this social media. Now my mind that they talk, I not stand for anybody. I wasn't here to support Monica, neither am I supporting Asaboro. I've said the part. Asaboro did nothing for this issue. The only way where Asaboro for made mistake is to record Julie. But every other thing she did nothing. She don't do nothing. I don't really see where she wrong. And that lady not do better for Asaboro mama because now only cow she buy. I never see where cow they do full funeral. They go buy drink. They go buy food. They will come give a cat with money. All those things cost a lot. But you know when you record a friend, the person you call your friend is very bad. All of us don't find this matter they come for social media. And una know be the real recorder. The Otokuna do recorder, the number one recorder, the great recorder, aka Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson is the recorder of of Facebook. She is the recorder of Facebook. You understand? She is the recorder for Facebook. She record past editing. She even record your pregnancy. She go tell you, says, wait till you want boy. Where she not be doctor. That she be the recorder. And I watched her yesterday, where she was saying, Asaboro go and fight. Asaboro go and respond. Asaboro go and fight Monica. If you cannot fight Monica, if you cannot do this one, I was like, wow, this woman, this woman, she too like Wahala. Where your own come? Your own, somebody will come talk about your own recently. Why you know they beat the woman, Tina? Eh? Why? You know why I'm talking to Mommy Love like that? I'm talking to Mommy Love because I have problem. I have unsettled business with her. I do not talk to Mommy Love Monica like this is because me and Monica do not have no issues. And I'm not here to fight Monica, another Asaboro. I'm here for peace because they are both people that I love. I am talking to Mommy Love is because we have unsettled issues. We have unsettled issues. And when I was watching her yesterday saying that Asaboro go and fight, Asaboro go and fight. Oh, boy, yes, that's what my Yuko. Make them go fight, make she for the wash, make she for the clap. Say, hey, beat from here, beat from there. Now she did. She not get anyone. She not get any help. She did help. Wow. If you have Facebook. Me, I not say Monica good though. Or Monica waro egbe woto. Now you use the new they call. I don't feel talk with Monica they do and I don't like yours now. You understand? I know say now we are for meet matter now they una for the joy. Now we are for meet. I beg if you say Monica not get power, it's okay. Now may you rest. May you rest. Well, I just want that fake account. Now that fake account now for the fight. Mona come live. You say Monica not get power. Why you know they do live video? Call they tell Monica, say Monica you are powerless. May you see your own people wait they around the other take carry information go give Monica. Monica they play your story tomorrow. Your eye go even clear. Your eye go clear. Now then you know say there is power on this social media. It's not only by even Monica. It could be anybody. It could be anybody. Even the Asaporo is powerful. Everyone. It could be anybody. Now they said you self go surprise. Now so this Facebook be the way they play your cassette. Somebody, this one a person una not quarrel, una be friends or maybe they know you. The way they play your cassette. My sister, Vinyash, you don't ever see where somebody, my sister, somebody will not do you something. You come out to say this person not good. Monica not get anything she don't do me. Why go they condemn her? I can't condemn somebody who have never wronged me. You can do your own condemn on the comment section. It's okay. I'm not stopping you. Did I block you for commenting anything? But so long that she didn't do nothing to me, I can never come here to condemn her. I cannot. She did nothing to me. She's not a bad person. But I just do not like the way she will be saying that all live video presenter will be under her. All live video presenter can never be under Monica. Now una be the live video presenter, now we be the fake account commenter. Oh, this one sweet. So now you are talking. Not be say. You understand? Now so it be. Now the only two Monica, because I was watching her today when she was saying that all live video presenter, I was talking and I said no. This lady, she's getting this stereotype wrong. All live video presenter can't be under you. Never. They can't. Because a tree does not make a forest. Everybody just come. Some people, they will just grow page, they go live and they don't say they don't get with it to talk. Some of us, people like us, like me personally, just imagine, I go come out for us around 7 o'clock. Now they start work, and they come out around 6, and they start work for 7. From 7 to 5 o'clock in the evening, when my leg don't tire, my work na standing work. Na standing work I dey do. Standing work. I come up for 6, my boss the day, because I know the drive, oh, but God go do am, I go get my license. My boss the day for 6:20, 6:21. I'll come reach work for to 7. After 7, after 6, just sorry, after 6, I'll start my work for 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, I will tell you start work. 7 o'clock. I'll call close for 5 o'clock. So do you think I have time when I call the stay live video? I can't there for live video. I know fit. Now make myself a live live video for people who get time. Live video na for people who get time. Live video na people who be say, or like people like us now we be say we know they do problem. If you they talk now, say you talk like this, comment on now can't change word for your mouth. You go say no, you they fear this person, fear not let you talk, or fear not let you see. You cannot change word on people's mouth because you don't like the person. Not me say me self go still hate the person. You understand? I know fit. And I wish everybody for this live video they work, therefore know the meaning and the value. Our money, say money no easy. When somebody put out for pocket, gift you. If you like maybe £1 or €1, now the person gift you, you go appreciate her. You understand? I wish all of them are working. They go know the value of money. Therefore, no say no easy for one to pull out for pocket to even give somebody €1. But they are not. They are not working. They don't know the value. Some of them are not. They don't know the value. If they are working, they will know the value of the money. They will not say no easy. To be honest. So when you see somebody, you have somebody who support you, you appreciate that person. So Mona carry that woman, but Mona carry her entire ass. I beg, I'll come run because of una talk. If you need driver's license, let me know. I will show you a way to get this easy. Are you serious for Germany? Not easy. It's not easy. If Monica get power, make she mistakenly try Vera or from Victor. They go say oh, Mona rest. It's okay. No problem. Always say problem hero. Nobody not get power. Everybody get mad for this social media. Monica, Lolo, Epa, all of them, Esther Talk Show, Enogi, all of them, Rita Yemi, Ritoto, all of them, Keto, all of them. They are all great live video presenters. They are all good in their own way. But one way me, I know nobody know they made mistake. So Mona leave Asaboro because of this record. Because everybody where they judge Asaboro today, they say Asaboro record. Now only one never record for his side though. I'm still repeating it. I said it before. Everybody that judge Asaboro, you understand? No, I don't get power. I beg. I don't get power. I don't get power. I don't get to. I beg. Leave me. Everyone that judge Asaboro, all of them, no one will never play record for their platform. Hey, no problem. Which are they work? Oh, me I don't they work. Someone I go for work. Are they work? Though? None of them never play record for their platform, except one. Most of all of them don't play record though. Now so this one talk. Now so this one not talk. Now make a record not be anything again. Yes, now I know. Oh, I've said it before. Now you late come. That's what I said. That was my beginning of live video. I said, okay, na danegbe. I've said it before. I said, Monica, she's supposed to look Asaboro eye on this. Not be everything she go to reply to. I've said it before. Because I've also said it that Asaboro said she have loved Monica. Say Monica na her mama too. She dey watch Monica. She don't still talk her for her platform. I've said it earlier on. Now you just they come. Now you jump into the matter where they talk. Because you know hear me say I talk to Monica. I tell you Yagberane. Vinya, she dey find trouble. Why wait your when I good evening. Why wait your when I No, na does smart be my gbola o. Me and does smart we still there. We never break. We still there together. No, but una jam us together. Una say more they follow each other. He choke. So you understand? So me asa borrow. Make them try, make them rest. For me, oh, asa borrow my darling sister, o vision oga, la wo wo je no give me. Where my sister. Won't egg anybody, not let any Michael Jackson drag you for fight, oh. Not let any Michael Jackson people where they bleaching cream now. Yes, say from next year now. The kind of increasement where go be where they won't put for bleaching cream. Some people where they for Spain not go fit buy am. Yeah, now say bleaching cream. Some people where they for Spain not go fit buy am. When they for Pamplona, Abiaru Wayate, my matters. Yes, so they not go fit buy bleaching cream. Say go 2 day cost for them. Organic creamy, Rio Jane. Organic creamy, or Rio Jane Saloba. Or what turning out to Michael Jackson. Most of these people, if you see them for real life, I say camera is good. Camera. Feet are good. If you see some of these people, if you see some of these people for real life, you self go be like, wow. Now this person that they see for live video be this. Now this person that they see for live video be this. Don't be deceived though. Don't be deceived by all this their camera and filter when they put for face. Oh. When they put for face. My dear, not they use cream, oh. I don't na Jama cream that they use, oh. Jama cream, normal Jama cream that they use. My cream not the cost. My cream say no every reach 10 euro. Because you know I don't want stretch mark. I don't want stretch mark for body. Already I get some small one for my stomach when I take born my children. So I don't want for body. Because if you some people they not be all body cream they good for somebody. If you use cream, you can't bring stretch mark come out for your body. Some people they use cream, stretch mark, they come out for their body. So I don't want that. All of them now don't buy this market. Oh, big. Latest itan. If you not Saga Monica, you have a problem with me. If you not Saga Monica, you have a problem with me. Wait till concern you. You by yourself and yourself, Saga Monica, if you like. Why you they call Asaboro Asaboro? Asaboro is a woman of her own. Asaboro, you know what me? I know what me Asaboro journal now. Because Asaboro is one live video presenter, one of the live video presenter that has a respect on this social media. I don't know if anybody noticed. Asaboro is one of the live video presenter that has respect. Big honor. A lot of people respect her on this social media. So imagine a person now when they don't they respect, now they never talk for her body now. Una want drag her because una don't they fight the person. Una want now make people. And una know say Monica get people where they love her like mad though. You get why they talk her. When I talk that one, just now I go say she they fear to talk. You understand? Una know. Then you guys want now maybe say they call the talk for the girl, but now tomorrow now if I tell you she over here do I look down or the lady. No, my sister, do your own. You get respect. They respect you. That one is enough. You have a respect on the media. What else? Do your own. If people cannot see me, I dey see am. You understand? People are respecting you. Don't let anybody drag you to media. Don't let anybody drag you because they do saga with anybody. Don't let anybody. But if you want to do it because it comes from your mind, do it because now you want to, not because anybody push you to. Don't let any Makajasi people drag you. That's what I have to tell you. You are too bigger than that. You are too bigger than so you can't talk and so you not talk. If you owe your godmother apology, apologize to her for recording her. That one I must talk that one. You think say Monica go green make them respect her? How do you mean Monica? Now Monica they let people to respect her. Asaboro have a lot of respect on the social media. People respect her. Because you know why she dey do her own. She not dey fall, she not dey that's so laugh, she dey laugh. She go dey talk her own, she go dey laugh. People respect her. They do. Do your thing, my sister. Don't let anybody push you. Don't let any Michael Jackson people will be say they don't spoil their own platform. Sorry, let me see. Sorry, my shirt. Let me see. Oh, sorry. People when they don't spoil their platform with record. Let me see. People when they don't spoil their platform. What is there now? I know. I say, I hear say Asaboro they pay for hotel for the book 3 men for different hotels. You see, and what you they try to the top, but they say una don't they change the matter. Una don't they put now. I don't understand. Vinya, I think na Asaboro side you dey us now. On I know the problem avec community association. Egbe ma be rawa. All this community association people, una don't well. After all this is they go give Asaboro. Una go still the same, make she no let anybody push her. Wait till remain again. I don't know, Sha, but nobody should push her. That's what I have to say. You understand? That's what I have to say. She's just a nice sister. For me, I like her. I don't really see anything where she do for this matter with Dave Grant, apart from say she recorded her godmother, and her godmother too not try. Her godmother not try too. And your goddaughter go lost her mother, you cannot even support. Before you they accept to be somebody godmother, make sure that you are ready to be backbone of the person. Yes. Being my godmother does not mean we have to stay on the phone and gossip. You understand? Before you accept to be somebody godmother, be sure say you are ready. Anything, they feel drag you. Right now, if now only a godmother that they drag me, I not even talk because I'm a godmother. Of course, for this social media, they beat you, go reach your family. So godmother, we got one is there a problem. You understand? You understand? So now so it be. Now do well. Wahala wo have a godmother wahala okay godmother have any godmother one they use they do godmother will not use CCS stay senior una. I don't know too that they use godmother say they do. This one is my godmother. This one is my before they choose somebody as my godfather. I don't check and say that person don't use 20 years senior me. Or maximum 15 years. Because 15 years person they born. If you don't use 15 years, say senior me or 20 years, you cannot be my godmother or godfather. Yes. You can't be older than me with 6 years. Bring it down. You can't be older than me with 6 years. You expect me to say you are my godmother or you are my godfather? Whatever the bullshit they build us that time now. Who they build us not the air person yet to see both age. Who they build us not the air person? Who they build us not the air person? I don't understand though. Hey, Salobo Avela oh. Eh? You can't be older than me with 5 years, 6 years. Yeah, you think that you can't be my godmother. Mona they let unati they reach una. Okwa bolo a star, a support live video presenter. My data use a supportive a star ya why me Facebook in na. When a Facebook pay whatever a video wa. Why you me right? Why you me right? Central people, central live video presenter, central. Abole central. Cash. Abole central. Imagine you use a gift, or man, gift, a lover. Agba, they just they praise that one way they gift, where they give money. Now people where they do and they are blame, but if I talk now, they will say that jealousy. Good evening. Thank you very much, Mama. Thank you. God bless you too. You understand? Now demo. Central people. Somebody go there, go use ordinary 5 years, 6 years. Are you trying to tell me that Asaboro is not up to 40 years? Is Julie Lord up to 50 years? No, Mona, check her. Is Julie Lord, is she up to 50? She should be at late 40 something. Now she go there. She never reached 50 years. She never reached 50. Are you trying to tell me that Asaboro never reached 40 years? Or he never passed even 41 years? Or they go 42 years? Why can we calculate age? Why this is my godmother? This is my godmother. A Monica of a raw. Or where godmother here of a Ukinebo. Ukinebo where godmother women. My did only 50 years in a masha. Although I don't know. I don't know. Mama. Mommy yo. Mommy dede. Oh yo yo. Mommy dede. Oh yo yo. Mama G for general. That's my mama right there. Mommy Bota kada. I greet you, mommy. Welcome. That's my mommy, Princess Evie 1. I greet you, mama. Okay, Asaboro never reach 40. How you tell no? How you tell no? Say Asaboro never reach 40. My dear sister, sorry to say, Asaboro don't reach 40 years. Asaboro go don't reach 40 years. Sure be Asaboro. If Asaboro never reach 40 years, Asaboro not be small pikin, not be 35 years old pikin. Call, 35 years. I might wait 36 years. If she not celebrate the 40, maybe she never celebrate her. Maybe she go to celebrate her this year or next year. You understand? Asaboro Opuma tell you say she be 37 or 38 years, or now your own thinking. Now so she tell you. That lady is not she's not a young girl. She's a lady. I tell you, shall be she never. I tell you, she not pass 40, Joe. Shall be she never reach 40. Julie Lord the way be a godmother. She don't reach 50 years. Even so, why don't you a big title where be say this thing? She don't reach 50 years. Somebody go use 5 years senior you. She don't reach 40, mama. Somebody go reach 5 years or 6 years stay senior you. You go this. Okay, she be 45 years, for instance. Let's just say Julie Lord or she can be that kind of 45, 46 years. Una don't ever see 5 years, 6 years speaking with the born person. Una don't ever receive 5 years, even 10 years speaking itself. Live video presenter is central. Why is too much? Central what when they give that supporter and helper, mona open una eyes. Let me tell you, live video presenter are not only people that sat on camera. Live video presenter also now, both you that is gifting, both you where they support behind the camera, both you will be a commenter association. All of us now a live video presenter. Because sometimes they will say that the saga somebody they do when they comment. They go the saga somebody they on that fake account so they never see with their 2 eyes. I've seen it so many times. Me, I'm not sure. I'm not sure say Monica don't reach 45. I'm not sure. You understand? Now respect it be not me. It me oh it me oh it me. It me oh it me my sister. It me. We shall be respect. That not be respect. That's not a respect. How can a 40 years old person be saying that is a godmother to 45 years? So people don't know what godmother means. They don't know. Because people they talk on my godmother. All of them just take and say my godmother. No. It means it does. Because some people use their business are supposed to be age group. Agua flow normally. You can't go to use that because of money. Can't go to use that for godmother for waiting. No, it does. It means. Mama. Mama. Wame Monica, okay, wala like gbogbo do here. Okay, why wala like gbogbo do. Mama lawo wo mi have to be maybe you especially. No why I call say Monica Why I call see Monica Bruce. Mama lawo wo lao po wi ala lao. Wahala wo wage sage social media full. Ah, Jesus. Live video presenter. Una be setro. I say una be setro. Salo bua me no dazi me no bo. Ara la lobo. Walking na iwa sire iwo. Just imagine somebody like me. Nah, I will say Monica. I just tire oh. Mama, just imagine. Boyke Vade, she can be your godmother. She can be. She can be your little sister. She cannot be your godmother because you are way older than her. I beg, before una they choose godmother, me una they choose godmother where busy go fear advice una. Una they choose godmother where at least it go still senior una far. Una fit still they listen to her because because of money you go choose your age mate as godmother. How the person cut talk to you where you go here? Maybe your mother where Rude daddy your man as a godmother we had to advise me. Yegbe ma be work back. Oga me mature person or be go abane gbo wa be ri. Which rest never reach. Monica don't pass 40. Monica not be 30 something. No. Forget. Monica don't pass 40 years. Gawak burden at Monica is not she did on her 40s. She's not 30 something. No. No. Monica don't pass. You understand? Many people don't pass 40 years now. Many. You get my point. Allow na to say live video na tagbe. Okay, damn we were so with Facebook now. I don't know If they pay me. The way they pay me pass na Michael Jackson, yo. Michael Jackson. The way Michael Jackson come to the talk yesterday, say me asaboro go saga Monica na that I say who be this Michael Jackson? Say who you be? Who you be? You when they want drag a leg come out. You die the matter, you start when you Nigeria people when you don't swear for you go settle with them. Like just allow whoa, take time. Mama, good evening, Costa. So I see them. I will say bona do see tagbe wa wese. I will say woge dele na wa baba you. Na fear man. Mommy very I greet you, mommy G obek bene, mama. Mama, I'll call you, okay? I'll call you. Another one live video doing I want I do recently. Get one person I can talk to. Because I say the person you don't do too much for this social media. Remember when you had me, remember when you had your bomb me? I talk me in lawa. Ya lawa ne wa like you had your bomb me sa kwe working here ko ya when you go me bo as I did. So to be honest, if you are working for your money, if you not pay for Facebook money, Facebook pay you, they not pay you. It doesn't matter. Trust me, you will have a less problem on social media. But if you want to make Facebook your monthly allowance, your monthly salary, and then you go to get problem. So that make anybody they get problem for social media. Yeah, they look there. When you want to make Facebook to be, but don't forget, Facebook can be your monthly allowance, but Facebook can never be your passion. Facebook not be your passion. If it be your monthly allowance for now, make good use of that money very well. Mona make good use of the money. I will give it la unwagbe. One understand. You know what? You need to go save a Facebook. Why we are going extra people not always support what buy now? Wow. Now wow. Wagbe evil. Now we money don't give me ya evil evil look bane. Ya look bane. Kere ikebu way. Wagbe ba. Now wow. Kere no. Mona not they bring each other down. Too, nobody dey under anybody for this social media. If you are blessed with view, you see me now. How many people start to watch me since now? I was having 300 and something people here. They call they reduce, call reduce to 1 something now. I like her like this, I will get peace. I like her like this, if you like maybe 50 people, you'll be still come, I still like her more. Problem not go day. At least you'll talk, you enter, your feet sleep. Most people they get 1,000 view. They know they feel they sleep for us. It's the truth. Let's be real. They know they feel they rest because of problem. And then grab a live video. And then move a live video. And then no, come on, man. When make better evil. All of them don't follow each other. Quarrel finish for this Facebook. Nobody be nobody. You don't get only one person that you talk say, oh, if I say this person never quarrel. He go add. All of them. In here, wayaro. I won't be mama. My view. They go fight for view. They go fight for coin. Now not be coin and view again. No. Now support now people still they give you now behind Facebook, behind the camera or even season. They be ne season wa. Una no say all those big actress and actors. Now so they say they get lovers so. Sometimes who they send the money for in Yedo. If they send for message just say, oh, message just I like it, go say, give me your account, let me credit you. Oh, in Yedo, I like it, let me credit you. I'm a fan. Your fan can be any other person fan. Now only for Facebook, for our Edo community now for no say, if you are Monica fan, you are Monica fan. If you are Lolo fan, you are Lolo fan. If you are the other one fan, you are the other one fan. It's not supposed to be like that. Anybody can like 3 people. He can like 4 people. Say, okay, I like this person, I like this person. They can't divide everything. They can't divide everybody. If this one they see you say you follow, they follow you. They're going to start talking for their platform. Say, and that's how you go watch for the other place. That's why fear not go let them one drop comments so that you don't know that the other one they watch with fake accounts. Is this supposed to be like that? When we go to YouTube to watch people, now only one person that they watch. Why it be so that they do and now? Una will be the viewers and the commenters. When you go to YouTube to watch Nigerian movie, do you only watch Mercy Johnson? You watch Mercy Johnson movie. You watch Destiny movie. You watch Iniedo movie. Now, so live video presenter supposed to be for Facebook. It's not supposed to be so that so you can't like this one. You not can't like the other one. Because you can't like this one. If the one they do wrong, the other one they do right, you can't judge why they do wrong because you like her. Now they cause this problem. This problem, they everybody body. It did everybody body for this social media. Both you will be the viewer, you will be the commenter, and the live video presenter. Everybody gets their take for this matter. Because when if I go to YouTube now, I don't get particular person I'd like to watch a movie. I go for any interesting movie where it interests me. I not write for my Google say be giving me only a Message Johnson movie. I don't want to watch all that because now only Message Johnson they give me what I like. I wish una they share that una love to everybody. You see this thing we enter their head saying let me get this view. Somebody not buy you data and the person go control you to watch. The person not buy you data, but now she go control you where to go, where not to go. The person not buy you data, the person go tell you let me get you. The person don't even know you. This one person be saying I fake account to tell you watch if they see you for real life. Now, this one are people will be saying if your matter is their hand, they're not gonna say because say you be their liker or you be their viewer, may they talk for his ass. I don't know where social media or say no who wanna move me. So be a boy when I tell you they go scatter the matter for social media. And we're not versed, so you know say everything on social media with the do more. We not get anyone what they do for outside. That time I come to the room. Now I come to talk say no, I don't have to be friends with this person again. Don't fuck up with that do this one no. Una now the saga so now we be committee association and viewers. May the saga me only negbe Mario. Yes saga me. Yes saga me Katie when on the akia wo do. Me might me gwe egwase but we no here ma kame. Eh? Not be so. Not be so. Leave the what she doing. Check her. You understand? Not be so. I just go beg una. Muna know they scatter everywhere they go again. This is my lover. This is not my lover. This one is not my lover. Muna more of una they. More of una. Make una they stay one place. Make una they stay one place. I beg. Make una they stay one place. Muna know they go different place again. Please give me your number. My number there for this thing, God will. My number there for my platform here. As it be so, I don't share her. What make a sweet make us now? Kate the saga you for that. Eru wa ya swe ne mi no sunu na. Eru wa ya swe. Ya bi age Kate ba no mo na be tell me no ma be je me ba na if you live video. Kate o if it wa go. Iwa we no do tamare. You know say sometimes you let some people make the just talk. I not go even know say they message me. Maybe now after how long now cause I just say the video don't even pass. I no respond. Na say be. Una go see, una no dey share. Una go see some people una dey saga the other person. That person no dey there. Una will share it. Una will share that go give her. And tomorrow, if una don't share that give her, the say una will still come when the problem don't start say ah. If una not dey fight again, the time you take share and give, and that's how you take cause the problem. Now normal. You think say this live video that I do that everybody go like her. So people go do, they don't go like her, they go want to come cost me because someone won't go along way. I can get on my live video for a long time. And I want oh, tell me no man like it, all those saga. As I talk now, say Monica, say now she get power now. Other person go take her say why you go talk? Say Monica get power. It be nice. Which record she won't play? She not get any record when she dey play. Oh. She not get any record. Oh, see me mark my way to my record. Oh, my boy, I have a record. No, we not be yet. It's a love you me. We not be. I will hear me that me bagbo. I will hear me that me bagbo. Why ya call? What guy again? If I go there, if I don't see the record with the talk, it did those saga with sweet makers. I will talk again nasty. I get you when I damn the records. I feel away, man. Me no more bagbo nothing me argue. I go the year, I go the enjoy. I don't respond to every rubbish on Facebook. So people are just attention seeker. Because since I'll be talking, I didn't mention kids. Not concern me, concern. Not concern me, concern. So if she want to respond to me because say I know the get anybody like this. So this is my platform. You can't control me what to say, what not to say. You know if you tell me who to praise, who not to praise, it not concern you. It not be your business. After all, when you do your own for your platform, I not call the talk to you. I know they call to talk to you. So my people, thank you very much for today. Asaboro, my darling sister, I love you so much. My beloved sister, Lawo. Avi yana nuwa miena be social media. Ezoya oni ya pushi weje leliya. Iya me bad name ne. They don't get bad name, oh. They don't get bad name. They want drag you along. Not let anybody drag you to go saga anybody. But if you want to respond, because you want to respond, you can respond. A lot of people respect you on this media. You are more of a celebrity as well. Because they see the way they do follow Bini actresses, singer, all those things. And then they post you too. If you get anything where they do. Not be everybody like that thing for you. Not be everybody like it where I mean money one big one saborona. Not be everybody like her. Jealousy can come from anywhere. They want to come and rubbish your name. When you might anything they want to come and talk. Please don't give that chance. Not give that person. Yeah, we normally. Anybody know if we no not wake be, we no not start to go on social media. Gia La wo my sister. Ewe. But we say wagima ya feel eyes or let's go there. Thank you, sweet makers. Thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate you. Bye.
Sometimes I feel like a package being handed back and forth.